Alright, so here's another video. So today's video's theme will be on peace. Very peaceful and serene. So this is what I'm going to be drawing. So I hope you can join in and let's go. Alright, so let's begin. So again, let's start with a new document. I'm using any kinds, so you can too. So let's open up our canvas, and the first thing that we're going to do is use this tool called star. The humble star. Yes. Okay, so here is our 5-sided star. So I want you to do this. Change it to 3 points. Alright, I'm going to zoom in so you can see clearer. I'm going to make it smaller like that. Okay, see this? I can make some adjustments here, the inner radius. I can curve the edges. Alright, so press here to curve the edges. So I want you to do this. Just do that. Okay, use this point over here, this red dot, and move it inwards. You can also move it like that, and you can move this one as well. See? Fun, right? Okay. So I want you to get this kind of shape, like a witch's hat. Alright? Alright, so that's good. So now what we want to do is we're going to break this apart. So double tap on this. Make sure you're using the move tool to double tap, and then press to curve so that we have all these nodes. We can use the node tool to make some fine adjustments. Alright, so here I want you to make it like that. Move it over there, straighten it up like that, like that. Okay, so this one like that. Here I want you to do this. Tap here and tap smooth. Alright, now move this one and press one finger to move it up like that. Oh, maybe not, something like this. Okay, move this up, this one, do it like that. Okay, and here let's curve this one, make it smart. Okay, this one is done. Here use one finger, and that's it. Okay, so we have this like that. Alright, this kind of curve. Alright, so this is done. I want you to do this. Tap the color wheel and then choose a dark green color, something like this. Alright, we're done. So this is one portion of the pine tree. I'm going to make it small. Okay, then I'm going to use 2 fingers on the screen. Tap and drag like that. I'm going to drag it out like that, make it wider, and place it down here. And this, drag again, put it on top, but I'm going to make it smaller. Something like that. Okay, so I think you get the idea, right? So now I'm going to draw the trunk, tree trunk. Use this, change the star tool to a rectangle. Am I drawing it right? Okay, draw it here. Okay, so that's it. Place it over here, make it thinner, and place it here. Okay, then let's continue. I'm going to double tap. I mean, not double tap, but place 2 fingers on screen and drag. That's to duplicate. Alright, so I'm going to make it shorter. Place it over here, shorter still, over here, but wider. Something like this, over here. Okay. Here, make it shorter. Now, for this, right, what you can do on your own, you can actually go in to these nodes and adjust all of this as you see fit. Alright, but I'm just going to show you a very quick one how to do all these. Okay, so we got one pine tree which looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and group them, duplicate them, okay, and I'm going to make a different one now. So let's ungroup this. Oops, sorry, ungroup. Okay, so now let's make it into a much denser and fatter tree, right? So this I'm going to make it taller, bigger, place it over here, it gets bigger and broader as you go downwards. Okay, something like this, bigger here, drag it, okay, let's move it over here. Alright, let's adjust here, make it look a bit bushy and thicker, fuller. Use the node tool. Alright, adjust. Okay, so we have two different kinds of tree here, and select all of this, group. Alright, so we got these two. This is done, right? So let's make the shape of the valley. So to do that, let's just use the pen tool. Use the pen tool and just tap here, one, go up, tap here, go down a bit, down here. Now we're reaching the valley, down there, go up a bit, and down, go back here, slightly out of the canvas, and join up. Alright, so use the move tool. Now let's fill it up with a color. The recent color that we did was this, right? A dark green. So now that we have this, I want you to, maybe let's clean this up. It looks a bit too blocky. So maybe what we could do is try to get some points to be smooth. Something like that. Alright, then just move it here, like that. Next, use these trees and just place it over here. See, it blends, right? It blends with this rocky shape here. So we got one side. I want you to duplicate this. Press the fingers on the screen, tap and drag. Next, flip it. Use this tool, just transform panel, use the flip horizontal button and place it over here, something like this, so that we have this, a valley. Let's select this and this and place it like that. Place it over here so we have this thing jutting out so that it doesn't look that awkward. Now if you notice, I have an outline here, so I don't want an outline. So if you do have an outline, get rid of it by pressing this stroke panel and tapping this. Okay, I think the same goes with this tree, the trees as well. So again, I don't want any outline, just tap here. Okay, so there's no outline, so it blends well with this, the rocky shape. So I'm just going to put it down here. Alright, okay, this is good. So here I'm just going to duplicate this and place it over here, thinner, like that. Duplicate this, gonna make it bigger, something like this. Okay, so we got one part of this settled, right? So we can group them if you want. So let's take a look at our layers panel. We have this. We are going to duplicate that. Alright, and this time around, let's change the color. Now we have this, right? So we can, what we need to do now is make it lighter. Something like this. Alright. Something like that. Okay. Then place this below. Alright. And move it downwards. Something like this. Okay. So, but I think let's move it like that. Okay, but you see there is this white area here that we don't want. So what you could do is double tap here, use the node tool and just adjust, drag it down to hide the white areas. So that is done, complete. So you can add more trees or you can adjust the shape even further if you want, like that. Okay, next you can add more trees. Let's add some more. Make it smaller, vary the sizes, yes, and put it over here. And put it over here. Great, and it's all in this group. Okay, so there's less chance of you messing it up. Okay, so this is done. So let's duplicate this then and change the color to an even lighter hue, something like this. Okay, and drag it below. That's it. And this time around I'll make it smaller because it's further away, right? So put it over here and maybe downwards like that. Alright, and this one I think I'm gonna just add some more over here, and this one also. Okay, see? So you get the idea, right? As the further you go, the lighter the color will be. Okay, so I'm just gonna have fun and duplicate them again. Alright, and this time I'm just gonna put there, make it smaller. Now take note that if you already grouped this, it's already, you know, when you resize it, it's in proportion, it's being constrained. But if you press one finger, when you drag, when you press one finger, you can unconstrain it and create any kinds of shape that you want. But I want to constrain this, alright? So I'm just going to put it down here and change the color. Something like this. And don't forget, place it below. Drag, tap and drag, and place it below. Something like this. This looks a bit jarring, so I'm going to add some more layers here and make it a bit darker. Something like that. Place it here. Okay? Done. So I'm just going to duplicate this but remove the trees. Just leave the mountains. It's going to be a mountain. Something like that. Use the node tool and make some minor adjustments. Probably delete this. Move this over here and change the color. Let's change the color. Okay. I'm going to add some more notes over here, make it look rougher, something like this. This one, I'm gonna make it sharp. Okay, just gonna place it over here and make sure it's the last level, last layer. Something like this. Alright, now you can add some shadows over here. I'm just going to duplicate this, make it a bit darker and change the size over here. Set the tool, delete, see this? It gives the mountain some definition when you add some shadows to it. Something like this. Right? Do you see it? Okay. Next, use this rectangle tool to create the sky. Place this rectangle right below. Oh, it's already part of the group. I don't want it to be part of the group, so drag again and place it there. And this time change the color to maybe let's see, maybe this will work. Alright. Okay, so this is what you can create on your own, right? And you can make some adjustments here. Like for this tree over here, it looks kind of weird. You can double tap this, make it smaller because it's further away, right? Something like that. Cool? Alright, so I hope you enjoy this and have fun. Change it, experiment, alright? Alright, so that was that, and I hope you enjoy that. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, click that subscribe button down there if you haven't done so. So that's it from me. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.